Hello lovelies. This is a really simple way to use bullion knots to make daisies. Don't worry, I'll talk you through the bullion knots. If it helps, draw a small circle with heat erasable pen and some dots around it to keep you on track with your petals. We're going to bring our needle up through the fabric around that circle in the middle, and then we're going to take our needle back down through the fabric on one of those spots we've already drawn. Don't pull your needle all the way through, you're going to need that loop. Bring your needle back through the fabric on the outer edge of that circle, and then you're going to wrap your thread around your needle to make this wonderful coil. If you lay it down flat, you can see it's the length between the centre and the edge of your petal. Now you need to hold that wrap between your thumb and your forefinger, and then gently pull your needle through, not too tight, just gently enough to pull it through, and then you can sort of use the edge of your needle to tweeze those coils to make them nice and neat. And then take your needle back down through the fabric at the top there. Now we're going to do a lazy daisy around the outside of this bullion knot. So bring your needle up on one side at the base and down on the other side of the bullion knot at the base. Keep the loop. Bring your needle up through the fabric at the very top of the bullion knot, through the loop, pull gently, just like that. And then you're going to go back down into the fabric over the top there, sort of tacking that lazy daisy in place. Let's do that in slow motion. So you bring your needle up through the fabric on the edge of that circle in the centre, and then take it back down through in one of the dots around the outside. Leave your loop, bring your needle back up through the fabric, back on that circle again, and then you're going to wrap your needle with the thread, probably about 5 or 6 times, maybe more, maybe less, as long as it covers the space for the petal. So the area between the centre and the spot at the outside. Hold the thread, wrap with your thumb and forefinger, and gently pull your needle through. Go back down through the fabric at the top of the bullion knot. Then you're going to do your lazy daisy. So bring your needle up through at the base on the left or the right, whichever, and then go down in the opposite side. Bring your needle up through the loop at the top of the bullion knot, tack it in place, and there you have your petals, lazy daisy petals. And you can make some daisies, and in the middle you can do green lazy daisy stitches for the leaves and yellow French knots for the centre. I hope that's helped. Happy stitching.